Okay, we should be live. We will quickly jump straight into the face detector. We have this eye tracking app. Want to release it on the website as soon as possible. To know how long the delay is. Anyway, we have a bunch of files on it. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Video stream. Where's the main file? Obviously we have this index HTML. There's not much in it. No, I mean there is much in it. We're using let's do that, remove that console log. Let's run it again for a sec. Should be getting yeah, the width or height of the eye region is 0. So that's not cool. That's line 78. So it means that condition wasn't met. So there is no image data for the eye region. And why would that be the case? I wouldn't know. And why wouldn't I know? Because the bot would not tell me what the problem is. So where is this function being called? The eye region is not right. What's in main.js? Detect pupil, right eye, left eye. And where is this coming from? Draw eye. And why are we doing the check if the pupil is there or not? I wouldn't know. No, we are. Draw pupil. No, we're checking. Okay. Yeah, we're doing a pupil not detected. But the actual problem is that there is no eye detected. Is that the case? Okay, we can get rid of that. We have the same image. The face detection. Let's pop it in. I'm not sure. Pretty sure something changed with the site, with the openai.com, the chat window. Yes, something is going on. I don't know, maybe the CEO was kicked out again. Oops. Log the hell out of everything. We have the landmarks. It's for the face detection. I'm pretty sure this stuff has face, eyes, ears. Yeah, we'll have those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 points. So the eyes are there. Face size. Face size is not there. That's interesting. The robot should be able to solve it. So we get the eyes now. And I think we even got the left pupil not detected. Yeah, it is the left. I don't know, it's just weird. But that's okay. Yeah, the pupils are there. Yeah, there's something like a reflection or something. So it's detecting the darkest region. It's pretty good. It's a bit off. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. The Python algorithm was doing the other eye better than this one. I don't know why they are in this green. That is hard to see. I wonder what it will make of it. Let's just upload the images. But it's pretty decent. Could be improved, obviously. Yeah, it might require like calibration and stuff. Yeah, this one is off. The eye is off as well. Normally, yeah, the eyes are okay, but yeah, so it will right pupil not detected, left pupil not detected. So that's working perfect, but that's not, it's kind of obvious. Just a sanity check. Can you see any issues with the pupil detection? Well, the good thing it's working now, so that's great. But can we somehow improve the pupil detection and also maybe make it better? How about having another canvas that will just show the eyes with the pupil in it? So we want to make it bigger on the front panel. A specific code changes would be great. And also, again, I already mentioned it, but we want to show exactly how the pupil is being found. So how the image is being, the video footage is being processed exactly. We want to display everything ideally on the front panel. Another thing, can you go over the code and list all the magic numbers that we currently have? I potentially want to add them as controllers on the front panel. Yep. So yeah, there's a couple of funny business, but it's generally working okay. It's not very... Oh, the bot. I'm pretty sure they're making changes as we speak, so you get a lot of errors like that. Might need to wait or refresh the page. I don't know. What do you say? Do we wait? We could use GitHub CoPilot. That would be nice. Can do some more testing. That would be good as well. Well, by the way, I have another camera. Be good to know if it's probably too big, is it? Oh, come on, silly goose. Yeah, obviously the resolution of this camera is not great, and it's 30 FPS, but just that's the point that we're trying to make, that even with 30 FPS low res camera, we still can achieve a fairly good eye tracking. It's the jumping colors. Yeah, like in this one, the eye is way off. So I don't know if it's the... This one seems to be... It meant to be finding the darkest point in the image. Are you suggesting that it's darker in that green? Yeah, the pupil is down there. It's like a bit off in both cases. GPT-4 is not working. Why aren't you working? Oh, come on. Okay, it's probably a good time to do a plug for the website. If you haven't checked it already, please go do so. All the tools we eventually develop available on bionicchaos.com. Yes, there's some ads. I mean, advertisers. Come on, I will give me relevant ads to the content or for whatever I'm searching for. But what's this ad for? There's a clock. It says Australia. Why? Yeah. We love ads, don't we? Yeah, this one is irrelevant, so we might close it. I don't mind relevant ads, but don't give me this crap. Anyway, sorry, shouldn't have said it. Before I get cancelled on Google. Anyway, we're doing this eye tracker. It's working pretty well. It's a bit off at the moment. Trying to improve it. But GPT-4 when just died on us. Let's try and regenerate. We already tried regenerating 12 times. It's not happening. Probably there's something going on with the OpenAI website. It's on my face. This is let's do an quick overview. Originally we have this tool eye tracker written in Python with the media pipe library. They work better, but they are heavy on my machine, so I moved them moving them into JavaScript, so it's quicker, can run in any browser. So once I make it available on the website, hopefully this week. I always say that, and it's never this week. It's always next week or next month. But yeah, it will become available on the website so you can test how well it's working on your machine in your browser. Currently, we're trying to improve this. So we have this images where the eye tracker is a bit off. We also want to show exactly what is it doing, how is it finding it. And it's actually based on the code. It's not working quite as expected. It meant to be finding the darkest region in the eye, which meant to be the pupil. Yeah. So currently, as you can tell, well, in this case, it's stuffed up the eye detection. So we're detecting the face, well, nose, mouth, ears, yeah, ears. Those are ears detection, so that's working fine. Yeah, there's also things about eye tracking with face orientation where it gets stuffed up, and also lighting. So if I give it a bit more light, it's a bit bad. I don't know. No, that's missing the eye. Well, we can make a few assumptions. We'll assume that two eyes are always visible. Yeah, there's no eye there, obviously. Yeah, we'll remove the ears, mouth. Want to display, we'll probably have now display here another canvas. It's called canvas, that will show all the processing. I already tried regenerating GPT-4 like 14 times. Seems something have gone wrong. Is there a common thing? People are Googling it. Fix December 23. Is this on? I didn't know OpenAI has a community. It's good to know. Yeah, people getting this some errors with the APIs. Well, I haven't been using the API. I was considering it, but if people are getting errors in it as well, well then there's no point. Yeah, it's really strange. Yeah. Well, apparently people been having this problem since last year. It seemed to be running and everything. If I press this regenerate button, does it make any difference? It's funny how while it's generating, I can actually can stop generating and then do. I think that's what someone in the blog said, but that didn't work. That's really frustrating. Okay, I can try refreshing the page. That's only one option. Yeah, it's funny how when it's generating the input, the text box is there. This is hopeless, isn't it? It's amazing how you get addicted to using GPT-4. Just close the window for a sec. Start a new one. No, as in, I don't want to start a new one because I already spent quite a lot of time on this one. I wanted to. Oh, hopeless. Okay, let's try GitHub CoPilot. I mean, the obvious disadvantage is that you cannot upload the images onto it. That's kind of unfortunate, but supposedly it's better at writing code. So we can explain what we have so far. Face detection applications, several function, load model. Yeah, we're loading this face model. It's in face model JavaScript. So that's what's finding the face. Can remove some console logging. Doing a lot of console logging at the moment. It's all the left eye, right eye landmarks. The main question is like, do you think it's ready to be published on the website or not? I wanted to do more. What? Is it detecting a face on my hand? This is super bizarre. What? I can't reproduce. I can't reproduce it. It's detecting like 2 faces and like 6 eyes, 8 ears. But it's still detecting an eye and a pupil on my hand. Yeah, it's not working very well. But then, yeah, like NVIDIA, I have some older videos. Yeah, I don't want to mention specific companies. A big company that makes GPUs made this eye. You know, yeah, you need. They're saying it's a free tool, but it's actually not free because you need the GPU for it to work. But I make this like thing where you can, you know, read script, and it will look as if instead of looking on the teleprompter, or if you don't have a teleprompter, you will be looking on the screen. It will fix your eyes as if it's looking directly into the camera, which is quite creepy anyway, even at normal times. But especially when, especially because it doesn't actually work. So if that huge, ginormous company is stuffing things up, talking about ginormous companies stuffing things up, seems like the CEO was kicked out again because GPT-4 just stopped working. It's not fun. Anyway, we have a bunch of files. We have So eye tracking app, they have the CSS. We need to check the CSS, by the way, I might do it later. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a JavaScript files, a HTML, and a Flask application. But the Flask application is currently not doing anything because, well, I don't need your face. You can keep it to yourself. So eventually, when it runs, it will be running on your browser. So front end, no back end. We still do a Flask application just so we have an option to do more things on the server. This is mainly if we have, if you actually pay for this tool and you want it improved, customized, so on and so forth. Yes, we can definitely do more stuff on the server for you. Also, we have this drawing stuff. This does this funny drawing business. Draw pupil while they are in green. We don't want them in green. I don't know what color do we want them in. If you have suggestion of a good color, I mean red is always kind of obvious color to use. Well, it's actually much better. Can actually see stuff.